Here's how to check if someone is online on Snapchat. Now, if you're on Snapchat messaging with somebody and you wanted to know if they're online, I'll walk you through the entire process. Keep in mind, it does depend on how they have their settings on Snapchat. I'll explain. Now, let's first just open up the Snapchat app here. If you're on the camera, you can first just head over to the messages here and open up a message with somebody. And you can say something like, "Hi," to somebody. If they immediately respond, of course, they're online. But this isn't a great way because essentially you might want to know that they're online without sending them a message. To do that, we're going to hop out of here and instead open up the Snap map here. Now, keep in mind, only specific people share their location through the Snap map. But you can see as I zoom around, it'll be able to say certain people are online now, or for instance, this person was online 1 minute ago. And again, I can scroll through and see 1 hour ago, 4 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. So if you find somebody that again was online, say a minute ago or a few minutes ago, you'll know that they very recently were on the app, and you can always send them messages, see if they respond or send them snaps, all that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.